Hello, today I'm making yogurt soup. It is very traditional soup in Caucasus. In Georgia it's called matnisdaba. In Armenia it's called spas. So it is a very popular and very healthy soup, by the way. So what are the ingredients? Of course you need yogurt, plain Greek yogurt. I have here homemade yogurt, but you can, if you don't have homemade yogurt, you can use a Greek plain yogurt. Also I need clarified butter. It is homemade, it's from refrigerator. Of course wheat, shelled wheat. Here it is, shelled wheat, which I already cooked. I'll show you how it looks raw. Here, that's how it looks raw. It looks also almost like a wheat barley, but it is not a wheat barley. It is a shelled wheat. It's important to have this one. You can make it with the rice also, it's not a problem, but with the shelled wheat it is a traditional. And I pre-cooked it, so 1 cup. I made it more because I need for something else, but I cooked it already. 1 cup you need, see, that's how it looks cooked. Water in volume, then wheat, salt, and just bring it to boil. But before that, of course, I forgot to mention, you have to rinse it 5-6 times in the cold water, then add fresh cold water, bring it to boil, and add the salt, and simmer it for about 40 minutes. Simmer under the lid, and it will be done. Chop onions as fine as I can, and start sauteing it on clarified butter in the pan, in the pot. So saute it in the pot with a thick bottom, or you can use a pan instead if you don't have a thick bottom pot. And at the end I will add dry mint. Some people add fresh cilantro at the end of preparation, but I like the mint at the end, dry mint. And also I need yogurt. I have here 3 jars of yogurt, so each is about 100 grams, so half cup. So 1.5 cup of plain yogurt, homemade. But you can use, as I mentioned already, plain Greek yogurt. But I will dilute it with the water, of course, because it's very thick, right? Yogurt is very thick, so I will dilute it with the hot boiled water, and then I will show you all the steps. First I have to chop the onion and start sauteing it in the pan, in the pot, on clarified butter. I want to show you sauteed onions. Of course you can use less onions. Instead of 2 you can use 1. I just like onions very much. See, that's, some people like it very golden and crispy. I like it that kind of very soft and clear onions. See, very soft and clear. And now into that I'm going to add, this is all my yogurt. I haven't added any water here yet, but I'm pouring it directly. So inside the jar, it's, of course, it's harder, but at the bottom of each jar of yogurt there is a little bit liquid, right? And when I mix it all together, it becomes runnier. And now, directly into this pot, I have here hot boiled water. I'm adding this water, and it should be enough. I don't like it a lot. I like a thick soup. I might add a little bit more after I add, this is rinsed wheat already. I showed you at the beginning the cooked wheat, but I had 2 cups. I needed 1 cup for the salad. So this is only half of it, 1 cup cooked wheat, rinsed. So of course it enlarges in volume. And now I need, if you don't like, by the way, if you don't like the onion, you can blend it using a hand blender, and blend it and make it all smooth, but the taste of onion and clarified butter will be there. It's delicious, absolutely. Now what I have to do, I have to salt it, Bring it to boil all together. Add cooked rinsed wheat, shelled wheat. Again, bring it all together to boil and add a dry mint. So I will show you at the end. It is almost boiling. It smells like my grandmother's house and my childhood. It looks sometimes that it wants to separate, and it is okay. See, sometimes you can see the little pieces of white, and it is normal. Okay, so don't be afraid that something is wrong with your soup. No, see, you probably can see just around the onion and on the spoon the little white things. It's like separated yogurt, but it is fine. Now I'm adding all wheat, mixing it, and I'm not going to adjust any thickness because that's the way I like it. It is just right consistency of the soup. Dry thyme, I just rub between my palms, and that's how I get it. Let it simmer for another 3-4 minutes and serve it. This is all that I wanted to share with you today. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.